Hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a unboxing. I am going to be using CurlyMe hair. I ordered a kinky straight wig from them before, and I really loved how soft the hair was. I wasn't a fan of the closure, but hopefully this one is better. I got a kinky curly unit and 22-inch. I cheated, y'all, because I already kind of like looked at the texture, but I didn't do anything else. This is the hair, and it's so pretty. I am impressed, okay? I am impressed. Look at this.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
It came pre-bleach, pre-plucked. Mark on it, okay? Pre-everything. That's what it came. And let me show you guys what they gave me in the box. I don't know what this is. I have no clue what this is. I think it's supposed to be like a headband thing, but it's like fuzzy. I ain't wearing this, but thank you anyway, CurlyMe. Love this. I always have satin caps. I don't have to buy satin caps very often anymore, because your girl's always buying a new unit. This is a 6x4, so you get 4 inches back, 6 inches of width. The lace seems pretty decent. Now I will say I wasn't a huge fan of the lace on the other wig that I got, and hopefully this holds up. I need more hair on these, on the lace. CurlyMe, y'all listening? We need more hair because this balds fast as hell. I'm not gonna show y'all my other wig and how bald that damn cap is. I like to wear my units for a long time. And I can't wear it for a long time if they balding. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on just so you guys can see how it looks straight out of the box. I think it's pretty dark already, so I don't know if I'm gonna dye it. I'm gonna go look at this in the sun and let it determine whether or not I'm gonna dye this jet black. But I definitely need to wash it because it has a strong smell. It's like not nearly as strong as some of the other companies that I have bought hair from, but it's still pretty strong. Straight out of the box, this is what it looks like. I didn't put any makeup on it at all. I didn't do anything to it. I literally just put it on my head. And you can see that when I get closer. As I get closer to the stairway. Okay, I'm done. But anyway, so this is what it looks like with nothing. Okay, nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup that matches my skin complexion, and then I'll come back. Oh yeah, and I also have the elastic band on it. I typically do not wear elastic bands anymore because I have no hair in the back. Okay, I do have hair in the back, but I'm not trying to lose more hair in the back because I did lose some hair in the back. Okay, so with that being said, no more elastic bands. This will probably get sewn in. But I do like, if you like elastic bands, I do like the fact that you literally get 3 of them. The one that comes on the way, and then the 2 that I showed you. So that's something to keep in mind. This is it. I put some makeup on it. I use this dark brown powder that I got from the hair store, and I just applied it to the underside of the lace, and this is what it looks like. I think it looks super natural. They did a really good job cutting the lace. I didn't cut it, they cut it, it came cut, and this is what it looks like. Show y'all where this hair hits me right here. This is it if I were to pull it down. So yes, it is true to length. This is like right above my navel. So this is true to length. That's actually where the rest of my 22-inch units hit me. Up here, I feel like it might be a little shorter, but you know, overall, that's what it looks like. Okay, y'all, so after looking at the hair in the sun, I feel like it's dark enough. I don't need to dye it jet black. I was prepared to have to do that, but just not gonna do it. So I'm just gonna style this for the sake of styling it. I will end up washing it after this, but I just want you guys to see how it looks and how it can be styled after you guys take it out of the box. So I'm going to be using the Refreshing Curl Talk foam. I got this from, I think I got it from Walmart. It was like $8. And then just a spray bottle for my hair. As I spray the hair, you can see it literally like starts growing with length and getting fuller. Yes, definitely shake this product before you use it. These curls feel so juicy. I feel like this hair is already kind of like layered in itself, so I don't really need to do any layering. As the hair gets a little older, I think that I might layer some. So I did get a little bit of shedding. This is how much shedding I got. It's not horrible, but shedding nonetheless. And from my experience, curly hair definitely sheds. So now let me show you where it hits me now that it's a little wetter. This is how it looks straight out of the box with no modification at all, other than, you know, wetting it and adding the stuff to it. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna do some stuff to this. I am gonna add like little swoops over here. Typically I like to add them over here. Keep on swooping until the swoop looks like you want it to look. And it's gonna look much better after it dries. Okay, y'all, so I am back. This is air dried, so this is what it looks like air dried. I'm going to take these clips out. I didn't, oh crap, it's stuck. Alright, so I didn't put these clips in for any particular reason, but it kind of did a little something here, so that was interesting. And this is what it looks like. I normally do not do baby hairs this damn big, but they're so soft. This is what the hair is looking like. It is so pretty. It's so pretty. So this is the finished look. This is how it came out looking. Closer for y'all to see. This hair looks so good. And I really like it. I probably won't wear it like this because I like wearing my hair behind the hairline, but let me show y'all the back. Now that it's completely dried, it didn't shrink too much, but I might end up adding some layers because I feel like it's a little flat. I kind of want like a bigger look, but overall, I think that this hair came out really well, straight out of the box. Y'all saw it. I didn't really do anything to it. I'm gonna take this off. I am gonna wash it. And you guys will catch me with this hair because I keep my units for a pretty long time. If it holds up, I'll buy it again. I'll purchase it again for sure because it was this process was easy. The shipping was very quick and it was a very good price for a 22-inch kinky curly unit. Like, so definitely will be purchasing this hair again. I just like CurlyMe in general. The only thing I don't like is the density of their closures. So if you guys like this type of content, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And also, if you guys want me to do a tutorial on the lashes that I have on in this video, because the lashes that I had on earlier was trash and I redid them. So let me show you how these lashes came out. I know they're cute, they're cute. So you want me to do a tutorial on these lashes, then let me know. Make sure you guys send this video to everybody that you know that needs a very quick and easy hairstyle straight out of the box. I will see you guys in the next video. Toodles!